Hello, my dear students. Good morning, all of you. In the last class, we studied some important points about early human life. I say about the Stone Age. Today, we are going to study some more points about that age, that is Old Stone Age. You studied that the early people lived in caves and they collected their food from their surroundings. We know that. And today, we are going to study some more points. You know that early people lived in caves and they decorated their caves by drawing some pictures. And you have seen some pictures of boar, bison, etc. They had also drawn the pictures of tiger, lion, leopard, hyena, etc. And you know that the inner part of the caves, some part they didn't get sunlight. So they use animals' fat as way for getting light. Clear? So, these points also you have to keep in mind when you study about cave pictures. That means the early people drawn pictures of different animals. Examples, they draw the pictures of boar, bison, lion, leopard, etc. And some parts of the caves they didn't get light. So they used animals' fat. Clear? Then another important point, to cover their body. You know that they used the bark and the leaves of the animals. Then sometimes they used the leather of the animals to cover their body. And you studied that stone is an important tool of that people because it's that age is known as Stone Age. Then when they use stone, they use some other materials also as their weapons. They used bones. Then they used the horns of the animals. Then they used ivory. The horn of the elephant, that's known as ivory. So these materials are also used by the Stone Age people as their weapons. So remind that point. Which are the materials used by the Old Age people as their weapons? First one, stone. They used stones as their weapon. Then they used ivory. They used horns. They used bones. Then another important thing, they used wood pieces also. Or we can say wooden pieces also as their weapon. Clear? So it is just not this. Which are the things they used as their weapons? Please note. Okay, now we are going to study some important points related with their hunting. You know that hunting was an important occupation of this Paleolithic age because they had no idea about cultivation. So they collected their food by hunting. Okay, then the important feature of hunting is that they hunted the animals as a group. Or we can say they hunted the animals collectively. Then there was no gender discrimination. There was no gender difference. When they hunt animals, both ladies and gents, they worked very well. They worked very hard to hunt or to catch animals. There is no difference between men and women. Okay, so we can say there is no gender difference. There is no gender difference. So first one, they hunted animals as a group, or we can say they hunted animals collectively. Second point, there is no gender difference. Then third one, they hunted animals as a group, you know that. Then among that group or in that group, which person is more stronger, that person is the leader. So please note this, stronger person was the leader. Clear? So these are the important points you have to keep in mind about their hunting. First one, they hunted animals as a group. Next one, there was no gender difference. The next one, the stronger person was the leader in that group. Please note. Okay, study the different things made by the Paleolithic people. Things made by the Paleolithic people. Okay, let me show you a picture. So, listen here. You just note that picture. Okay, now you please say, what are the informations you got or what are the things they prepared during that period? First one, okay, very good. Statue. They prepared or they made different type of statues by using stone. Okay, very good. Stone. Next one. You just look that picture and find out another point. Yeah. Humans model. Humans model. By using, okay, very good, clay. So, this is the second thing they made. Then, next one. They prepared or they made ornaments. They made ornaments by using, yes, loudly say, yeah, ivory, bones, next, okay, shell. Then, next point, what? Okay, vessels. Vessels, or we can say pot. By using the fiber of the plants, or we can say the bark fiber of the plants. Clear? Then one more point. Yeah, one musical instrument. One musical instrument. From bones. That a musical instrument, we can say a flute model instrument. So these are the different things the early people made by using bones, stones, etc. So listen here, statue they made by using stones. Next one, humans model they prepared by using clay. Next one, they prepared different types of ornaments by using ivory, bones, shells, etc. The next one, they prepared different types of vessels by using fibers, grass fibers. Next one, they prepared musical instrument, or we can say a flute model instrument with the help of bones. Clear? Then, one more point we can add, they use bones as needle. Bones as needle to stitch their dress. To stitch the leather to cover their body. Okay, so please note all these points. Okay, then there is a work for you. Let me show the picture. Okay, complete that box. On the basis of these points, you can complete that box. Clear? Now we are going to study the important sites of Paleolithic age. Sites means the place where that people lived in the early times. Okay, look at this map. Okay, then you identify which are the important sites. First one, Bhimpedika. Then second site, okay, Nagarjuna Konda. The next one, okay, Narmada Valley. Okay, then you identify the states and complete this. Clear? Okay. So, the important points about Paleolithic age is over. So, once again, I am going to repeat the important points. Paleolithic age, people lived in which place? Okay, caves. Then, what was their main weapon? Yeah, stones. Then, they used some other materials as also their weapons, which are there? Yeah, bones, horns, ivory, wooden piece, etc. Then, that people were called a particular name. Can you say that name? Yes, very good. Wanderer. Why did they call like that? What? Yeah, because they shift from one place to another in search of food and water. Because of that, they are called nomads or wanderer. Clear? Then another important point we studied that they had no house. So, because of that, they lived in caves and tree branches. Clear? Then they collected different types of materials to decorate their caves by drawing pictures. Which were the things they used to decorate the paintings? Yeah, first one, plants, extract and powdered laterite. Okay, very good. Powdered laterite. That means the laterite is a particular type of a red color, colorful stone. So they changed it into powder, and by using that extract and this powder, they make it as a particular pulp model. Then they decorate that cave paintings. Then the older people, they use the fat of the animals to as fuel for get light in the caves. Okay, then these are the important points to study about the Paleolithic age. Now we are going to study the second stages of Stone Age. What's the name of that? Yes, very good. What's that? Mesolithic age. Okay. Now we are going to study about Mesolithic age. So please note in your textbook Mesolithic age. Then, can you say what's Mesolithic age? Can you define Mesolithic age? First stage Paleolithic age, last stage Neolithic age. Okay, then what is Mesolithic age? Yeah, you say, what is that? Yeah, it is the stage between first and third. Okay, so we can say Mesolithic age is the age between Paleolithic age and Neolithic age. Okay, so not in your, just write in your notebook. It is the stage between first and third. First and third means Paleolithic age and Neolithic age. Then let me show a picture for you. See this. Okay. Then you see what are the important features of the stone weapons used this time. First picture, you know, the old Paleolithic age, that stone age weapons I have seen you. Then what's the difference between that stone pictures and or that stone weapons and this stone weapons? Yeah, what is that? Very good. These weapons are, or these stone weapons are so small. Small ones. But Paleolithic age people used to, they had no idea about the weapons, so they collect stones from the ground and they use it as a weapon. But during this Mesolithic age, people started to use small stones as their weapon. Then another important feature of this stone is that they are sharp one. They are sharp one. So listen, once again I am going to say Mesolithic age means the age between Paleolithic age and Neolithic age. Clear? The next one, during this time, people used small stones, small and sharp stones as their weapon. So because of this age is also known as Microlithic age. Microlithic age. Please note in your notebook, Microlithic age. Micro means small. Microlithic age. Then, can you guess and say what was the important uses of these small stones? Okay, first one, uses. So you write uses. First one, what point? To hunt. To hunt. Okay, because hunting was the main occupation of the people in that time. So we can say that they used the stones to hunt the animals. Next one, they used this one, to throw and catch the animal. To throw and catch the animal. Throw and catch the animal. Clear? The next one, to remove skin of the hunted animal. So these are the important uses of the small stones in the Mesolithic age. Just note it. Another important feature of this age is that during this time, hunting became extensive. Do you know what's the meaning of extensive? That means hunting became more easily, because now people got more idea, because now they are using small stones. So it is so easy for them to catch the animals by throwing or by attacking with the small stones. Okay, so because of that, hunting became more extensive. Then what will happen? What will happen? A lot of animals became extinct. A lot of animals became extinct. That means they automatically disappeared, because the people during that time they ate fully. Okay, that means there is no any other animals. That particular species of animals became extinct. Not a single animal were there in the world. Can you say an important example of such animal? Yeah, what's that? Very good. Mammoth. Mammoth is an example. Okay, so during the Mesolithic period, hunting became so easily, so simple one. So a lot of animals became extinct. Mammoth is an example. Clear? So let me show the picture. All of you look here. Here's the picture of mammoth. Then another important feature during this period that now people understood that if they hunt continuously this way, it will be the end of different types of animals. So they shifted their mind or their food habit from hunting to some small other levels of food. That means they started to catch fishes from river bank. Rivers. You know that during that time they shifted from one place to another for two things, which are the food and water. We studied in the Paleolithic age. So these people, they started to catch fishes from river. So they stopped hunting and they started to catch fishes. Then next one, dolphin. Next one, otter. Okay, then another important thing, they started to eat some types of grass, edible grass. Edible grass. So why did they change their food habits? Because during this time, the hunting was so easy and it became so easy, but it resulted badly. Because of that, some animals became extinct from the earth. So they shifted or they changed their food habits from hunting to some another way. They tried to catch some animals from river or from water bodies. So fish, dolphin, otter, etc. are examples, and they started to eat some vegetables also, especially some edible grass. Okay, so you please note this. These are the changes took place because of the because of the changes in the weapons. That means sharp stone was used in the Paleolithic age, but Mesolithic age they used not sharp one, actually it is sharp one, but the stones are so small one. So you note this point. Clear? Now, let me show a flow chart. Look here. Okay. Then let's start the important points you have seen. Okay. First point, you please say. Okay, they started settled life. They started settled life. Next one. Very good. They domesticated dogs. They domesticated dogs. You know that dog was the first animal who became the friend of human beings. So these people started settled life. Then they domesticated dogs. Then another one, you know that they simply started agriculture. They simply started agriculture. Okay, when agriculture started, some products will increase in some places and some products automatically cultivated more in some other places. So they started exchange of products. Okay, so they started exchange of products. Then, yeah, another important point, yeah, they started water journey or journey through water. Okay, journey through water. Please note all these points. Clear? Another important features of this age is that they started to use bows and arrows. Bows and arrows for hunting. So these are the points. You keep it in your mind about Mesolithic age. Then signs of Mesolithic age. Is not in your book. Signs of Mesolithic age. Europe and west part of Asia. From these two places or these two continents, we got the remainings of the people of this Mesolithic age. And in India, there are two places where we got some important examples or some important remainings of this group of people. The important sites, first one, Bagar. It is in Rajasthan. Next one, Adamgarh. Please note, Adamgarh. Bagar, Rajasthan. Next one, Adamgarh in Madhya Pradesh. So these are the important sites of Mesolithic age. Once again, listen here, Europe and west part of Asia. Then our country, there are two important sites. In Rajasthan, Bagar is that place. Then Madhya Pradesh, Adamgarh. Clear? So I am going to wind up here. Before that, one follow-up activity for you. Please note. Compare Paleolithic age and Mesolithic age. Compare Paleolithic age and Mesolithic age. So study very well. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, next Neolithic age we can take next class. Thank you.